Welcome, it's the girl Juliana Empire Official, and I'm doing a follow up on the face soap that I did a review on the Doodle soap. This soap, yes, this soap I did a review on it. I think it's a few weeks ago, if my memory serves me correctly. Okay, I've been using the soap to wash my face. I have no cream on my face, nothing on my face as yet, and I can see where dark spots start to clear up, very close up to the camera. And so I just take a shower and I'm gonna apply this cream. So for persons who are working in the sun and you tend to get a lot of sunburn, damage to your skin, you want to buy this cream and this soap. This is not a promotion or anything like that. This is not a sponsored video. Okay? So you want to go ahead and buy this cream, and for to help with the wrinkle, fine wrinkle under your eyes and stuff like that, you want to go ahead and get your Olay. Okay, so first I'm gonna apply the Olay to my under eye area. So I'm just gonna put a little tattoo, not a lot. So I'm just gonna gently massage it in, yeah, like that. And I'm just gonna apply a little over the top of my eyes. Yeah, massage it in. Trust me, guys, this cream and the soap has done wonders. I don't know if you guys can see it or tell, but trust me, my skin feel more smoother. You know, like when you touch a baby bum and it feel smooth. Yes, that's all the cream that my face feels. So this is the texture that it has. So you don't need much. Just a little tattoo, tat, tat, tat. So this is how I apply it, my nose bridge. So what I'm gonna do, my jawline area. So I'm gonna massage this in properly. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove my nose ring. And first, I do it section by section. Okay. So I tend to work this area first, then I'll pull it down to my neck line, my neck area. Then I go in and up. So then pull it back down to my neck area. So I'm gonna go to the next side. So you see, then my forehead. I don't want to get it too close to the lining of my hair because I don't want it to change the color of my hair. So then I'm gonna blend. Then I'm gonna blend everything in. Like that. I'm just ensuring that everything is wrapped out properly. You know, right at your neck, right? Always have a dark spot, so you can apply it there. Okay. So this is the final touch up of my face. So I'm putting in my nose ring. So see, everything smooth and dandy shandy. My face more lighter. See? Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to go ahead and purchase this and purchase the cream also. Bye guys, see you in the next video. Hope you remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload a video. Bye.